Are you ready to transform your Kvcore database from a silent list into a buzzing hive of engaged leads? Let's dive into crafting a custom newsletter in Kvcore that actually gets opened, read, and drives results. First, log into your Kvcore platform. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing Autopilot. This is your command center for all things email marketing. Next, select Campaigns from the drop-down menu here. You can view existing campaigns and, more importantly, create new ones. Now, look for the Add Campaign button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking this will begin the campaign creation process. Kvcore offers both pre-designed templates and the option to create your own from scratch. If you want to create from scratch, select the blank template option. The email editor is drag and drop, making it easy to add content. Drag text boxes to add the body of your newsletter, image widgets to incorporate photos, and buttons to add custom call to actions. Focus on providing value. Add local market updates, helpful real estate tips, or highlight new listings that might interest your audience. Good content is key. Customize the design to match your brand. Use your company colors, logo, and preferred fonts to maintain consistency. The more recognizable your newsletter, the better. Here's a pro tip: don't blast your entire database with every email. Use Kvcore's segmentation tools to target specific groups based on their interests, property types they are looking for, or where they are in the buying, selling process. The more targeted, the better the conversion. Finally, schedule your newsletter to be sent at the optimal time for your audience. Consider testing different send times to see what works best. Once set, hit send. Now, keep track of your open and click-through rates.